Hey, I'm back with another video, and today I'm going to be cooking cauliflower shrimp fried rice. And the ingredients I'm going to be using is ginger. I don't have fresh ginger, so I'm going to use the potted ginger. Some black pepper, some liquid amino, frozen cauliflower, the rice kind, some garlic, and some sesame seed oil, and some shrimps. So let's go to the stove so I can start frying and cooking the shrimps. Put me a glove on. Add you some oil to a pot, a pan, or whatever you're using. I didn't season my shrimp, so I'm gonna add a little bit of salt to it. Just a little bit, because the liquid amino got a little bit of salt in it. Just a little bit, and some black pepper. You choose whatever size shrimp you want to use in yours. Mix it up. And you're going to cook the shrimps maybe like 2 to 3 minutes on each side. That ain't even sizzle. That ain't even hot. Don't overcrowd your pan. Something like 2 to 3 minutes on each side. And once the shrimps are done, I'll come back. So my shrimps are finished cooking. I'm just taking them out the pot. So now what you're going to do, what I'm going to do, is add some more olive oil to the pan. Because I got to saute the onions and the garlic. You decide how much garlic and onion you want in yours. That's about 2 tablespoons of garlic right there. Minced garlic. And you're going to cook these till they sauteed to a translucent color. Everything going to be cooked in the same pot. Oh, and I also forgot, if you like eggs, you can put eggs in yours. So my onions and garlic is translucent. So now I'm going to add my cauliflower. This is about 3 bags of the frozen. I squeezed some of the water out of it. A lot of water out of it. We're just going to cook this up for maybe about 5 minutes. I'm going to turn this heat up some. You want it to be the rice to be kind of like dry. So it's going to be a little bit. And then I'm going to add my ginger. That's about 2 teaspoons. But I'm not going to use a whole 2 teaspoons because I really don't know how it's going to taste in here. If I need more, I just add more. Soy sauce, that's a table and a half. I'm just going to cook this up for about 5 more minutes. So this is how my cauliflower has turned out. But since I got so much in the pot, I can't cook my eggs in it. So I'm going to have to push this to the back. I got my eggs on here. I'm going to add some oil. Olive oil. And cook my eggs. I don't like my eggs really scrambled up. I like my eggs to be fluffy in there. So I just cut this down some and just cook it slow. I don't want to burn it up. Cook it slow, just push it and let it cook like that. I'm going to add a little bit of salt to this. To my egg. Oh, sugar pie honey bunch. And some black pepper. That was a lot of salt, but the thing is, I don't have no salt in my cauliflower. So hopefully that should offset it. You use how many eggs you want to use. I like a lot of eggs in mine. Okay. I'm going to turn this back up. Move that over. Slide that back. And my eggs. Mix it together lightly so I don't crack my break up all my eggs, be too small. Just mix it in there. I'm going to add my shrimps. Mix that together. Then add some liquid amino. I'm just going to squirt it in, estimate how much I want. This is salty. Mix it together. Bring some more of them eggs up. Yeah. Cut this down. Let me give it a taste and see what else I need. If I need some more seasoning in it. That's okay to me. Alright, let me taste it. I think we do anyway. Let me give it a taste and let my daughter taste it. Okay, let's. Okay, I don't need nothing else to it. I'm going to plate it up. Since I don't have no green onions. I sprinkle some parsley on top. Get your good thumbnail. Here you go, my cauliflower shrimp fried rice. Low carb, keto style. And as always, thank you for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.